Hey guys, welcome to module number 4. I don't really have a lecture on this one. Module 4, we do have a lab. The module 4 lab, there's a pretty important lab that we go through, and we talk about everything that we're going to be working on this week. So you definitely want to check out the lab. Module 4 will be working with multiple people. This one right here is you are actually submitting your own project, but this is the one this week that we'll go through. We'll actually talk about how to use pull requests. So that is, I believe that is one video. It might be multiple videos, but nonetheless, it's a way to, one second, videos. I was just looking. So what we do is we show you how to use GitHub. We show you how to create a pull request, how to work with each other. So there'll be people assigned in this week. This will be week 4. So this will actually, looking at the date frame, this will be it looks like July. So end of July. So we actually have 5 people in this class. So in this case, there'll be a 6th person, which will have to be myself. So I will line myself up with one of you, and the other 4 will be lined up with someone in the class. So we'll make it interesting at best. So that's it. This is a small week. So we have the assignment. We have a summary, so make sure you do a summary on, there's no discussion question. Assignment's worth 150 points. The summary is worth 50 points. Do a summary of what you learned for the week. And that's it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. A quick video for week 4. Have a good week. Bye.